Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I went to Walmart Sunday because I have an upcoming collab with Dory's Dollies, tomorrow in fact, and Tina's Reborns. And I wanted to get a couple things. We're going to do Zuru Silicone Baby Easter collab. And if you saw, we had a Valentine's collab. Oh my goodness, everything was so cute. Go by and I'll leave a link to my Valentine's Day. Oh, let me pull this. Valentine's Day Zuru babies. And we also did Christmas. And before that, we did Halloween. So we're going to do Easter. And this is not, of course, behaving. And so I wanted the goose. I have this idea. I'll show you tomorrow. And I went to Walmart and I got a new baby because, you know, good excuse and all that. Oh, well, shoot. Sometimes these are hard to get in, but I guess for $10, that's the anticipation you pay for, which is fun. I wish they would have had Easter Zurus the way they had the Valentine's Day. Oh, I love those. Anyway, the box was about empty, so I also got another set of twins. We're going to pull that off there, and I'll display them inside that plastic. Okay, ready? Up. Okay, so I didn't get twins, and I figured that. All right, let's see what I did get. I think I got something I've never got before. Woo! No, it's a high chair. All right, so we'll put that together in a minute because the high chair isn't what this was about. Here's the look what you didn't get list. This is what you could get, and there's that very ultra rare set of twins that they show on the box and on the little balls. Of course, we would all like that because what adorable outfits and hats. All right, this should be closed. Oh, yep. Ooh, 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 don't want to drop that. That is a diaper and a, uh-oh. Boy, there's some tiny pieces here. Look at the little bitty apples. Oh, that's darling. All right, what baby did we get? I can almost guess. How about you, Darren? Oh, I'm wrong. This is the first darker skinned, lighter hair, light brown hair baby I have unwrapped. So I am very happy to have her. Oh, wait, I did get one of these in the Valentines in the little basket. Let's get it dressed and put this together, but you have to wait till tomorrow to see what we're going to do with these for the Easter collab. Just a minute. Isn't that darling? I love these babies and their little stuff. I don't know anybody that would give a miniature apple, because look at the hand size, cut in half to a baby this age, but okay. This is my little set, and we'll see what I do tomorrow because this baby won't be sitting in her high chair. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. The 3 channels involved in the collab tomorrow are Dory's Dollies, Tina's Reborns, and more, and myself, Dolls Rescued. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.